So yes, this LSAL 02901, the moment it comes there, that means trip function, it is trip function. So you have a time because you have to reinvestigate the things and create the back to normal situation. So this is abnormal condition. Yes, answer is yes. And this was discussed in HAJOP. We have taken this one. And this is qualifying valid because this is valid alarm.
Let's flow from
And-
obstacle.
Yes, and we have to take action. What is likely cause of this? What is like?
Okay,
What is the
we can go to the worksheet of Hazok. For sure, there's LASL there, right?
Low level.
Low level. Let's go low level. What is it?
yes HAJOP C
Low level or more flow.
More
low level in the low level in the
Inadvertent fulling opening of the controlling failure.
Yes. I lose the level inside the structure.
You lose the level because that FCB, which we have just discussed,
malfunction full open. Yeah, malfunction full open. Yeah. So this unable to transfer the liquid from slack catcher. Now full open, inadvertent opening. I think this is not correct, right? This is not correct situation.
Unable to transfer liquid catcher first stage.
This is not correct.
Yeah, see. First is ultimately leading to liquid level increase.
No. This is not correct.
It's not this one.
Should be not to the level.
You check the secret.
To level, go to level, low level,
LSDL.
pressure, more, less level, and advantage full opening of 020904, but this will become actually 02, right? Which is yeah, this one, low level in slug catcher leading to gas blow by.
And this is correct. This is correct.
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct.
But causes is this. Code is what? Causes is
Yeah, the cause is this inadvertent full opening of FCB.
yes, correct. So this I can take straight away. I can take straight away from HAJOP.
Yeah.
When not required. When not
Just
required.
make that FCB 20902 instead of 4. Yeah. Yes, it is corrected. The tag is corrected. Yeah.
Absolutely. So this is ultimate loss of production only, right?
Yeah.
So if you are not able to take corrective action, you loss of production only.
Yes.
And then operator has to investigate it.
Yeah, it will be similar to the first one.
So in this case,
it will be higher. I mean, higher response time because already
response time 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes.
Yes.
Because the